Welcome to Microsoft Excel 2013 Level 1. My name is Carrie Heckendorf and I will be your facilitator for this class. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions at any time throughout this entire class, please do not hesitate to call or email me. I would recommend that an email. I will reply to emails much faster. Please read through the syllabus. It will provide you with all of the details for the course, such as the textbook, the course materials, and software needed to complete this course. To begin this course, you will log into Blackboard using your student ID and password information. Your password is the first two letters of your first name, the first two letters of your last name, and the last four numbers of your social security number. Blackboard is where you will gather all the information you need to begin the course. Once you have logged into Blackboard, you will see all of the courses you are enrolled in for this term along the right side of the screen. If you have classes listed from previous semesters, the instructors for those courses did not close the course, possibly because someone has been granted incomplete and is still working on those course requirements, or the instructor simply forgot to close the course. To access the course you want to work with, you click on the name of the course. This will take you into that individual's course information. All courses you take through NTC should be laid out somewhat the same. You should first see the announcements page as your main view with a list of menu items along the left side of the screen. The menu items include course information. In course information you will find the syllabus and any general course documents. The Microsoft Office courses are unique to all other courses you will take with NTC, as it has an eLab component, so only your Microsoft Office courses will have this menu item. The eLab menu item provides you with the information to set up the eLab account that you will be using to complete the tests and submit course assignments for this course. Again, this is unique to the Microsoft courses. Blackboard only serves as a placeholder of information to begin the course. You will obtain the syllabus, the work log, data files, and other general course information here, but all other work will be completed through eLab. The next menu item is Learning Plans. The Learning Plans provide you with a layout of the course. The discussion board and the My Grades menu items are not used in this course, so you'll be able to access and view all of your coursework feedback through eLab, and that will be explained in a minute. So in the course information you will find the course websites that you'll be using for this course. One of them are Blackboard, which you're already in. The other one is eLab or Labyrinth. elab.com, so you're aware of those. The course materials are textbook, software. Again, it does go through the supplies for the course, and then your syllabus, which also includes who your instructor is, that general information. I have provided timelines for you both in a 4-week and an 8-week segment, depending on how quickly you want to finish the course. Of course, these are recommended due dates. I realize you do not have any due dates. And then the work log, that's very important for you to print out as well, because it provides you a list of all the assignments that you will be completing for this course. So if you want to go through and check them off as you go. And then again, it goes through some other general information, suggestions as far as storage. It provides you with the data files, student exercise files, which are the data files. Any other kind of discrepancies, changes, problems we had with the textbook, so those are also listed there. Again, you're always welcome to contact me with any questions, but we do have Flex Labs available at each of the campuses. You are welcome to go into those labs if you choose to, and also get help if you'd like to. So that is the course information page. The eLab setup information page Again, it provides you with a link, it provides you with the recommended browser to use. It does explain to you how to use computers on and off campus. Um, it also provides you with the setup and preparation to use eLab, because you do need plugins when you go through your tests. You're going to be going through simulated questions, and you will need to have certain settings appropriate on your computer in order for them to work. So again, you need to go through this and make sure everything is set up appropriately for your computer. The learning plans page is again where you will begin, so to say, the course hands-on. You're going to first begin completing the syllabus quiz, which asks you questions about the syllabus that you were supposed to have read through. You do have to get 100% on that in order to go on and get access to other things. So you need to go through that, and you can complete that quiz as many times as you need to get 100%. And then you need to complete the first assignment in order to remain enrolled in this course. This is required to be completed. I believe it's within the first 5 days of the course. And if you do not complete it, you can be taken out of the course. So the plan for completion, there's a template provided for you. You have to go and fill that out and basically give me a schedule of your plan to complete this course. So go through, if you want to go by learning plan, however you choose to set up that schedule, you have to give me an idea of your time frame and when you plan on completing the course. If you end up taking a little bit longer, that's okay. For example, if you say, well, I want to finish it in 4 weeks, and you give me a plan of completion of 4 weeks for your time frame, and you don't get it done, maybe you get it done in 5 weeks, maybe you take the entire summer, you take all 8 weeks of the semester. That's perfectly fine, but it is required to show your intent and commitment to the course. So it's very important that you get that submitted right away. It's very important that you do get that plan of completion completed, because it will not give you access to the link that says click here to get started. You will not even see that link until you've submitted that plan for completion, and you need the information that's provided here for you in order to begin completing the coursework. There are 2 different sets of numbers you would have been given. You would have been, when you purchased your textbook, you purchased an eLab code, which gives you access to creating an account in eLab, but you also create a course segment to the specific course that you're registered for. So for example, if you're taking Microsoft Office, you're going to have a code for eLab to set up your account, and then this is where you will access the code to actually register yourself in the Microsoft Office course. So you need those 2 sets of numbers. You have the first set of numbers already to create the eLab account, but you need that second number to actually get into that individual course. If you're taking maybe 2 individual courses like Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, you would only need 1 eLab account code number, because that's going to create the account, but then again you'd need 2 separate numbers for each of those courses. Another part of this is file management. It's important as you begin working on these courses that you know how to organize your files, in naming them, in storing them correctly, and in a form that's easy to find. So you're going to be requested to go through a file management section. Now if you've completed this once already, you can submit or you can email me and just say I've taken this already, and then I can go back and find out, say I took it in the spring semester, the fall semester, let me know that. And you do not have to go through that process if you've already taken it once, if you maybe took Word, like I said, in the previous semester or something. So you might end up actually having 3 or more codes when you begin working on this. Again, Your eLab account is good for 2 years. You do not need to purchase a second account for eLab. Once you have one, that's good for 2 years. Once you enroll in the course, once you go through that plan for completion, you'll get access to this section. You'll get access to those class codes. You'll be able to enroll in them and then begin working on them. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, once you've completed that plan of completion assignment and submitted it through Blackboard, that's when you're going to get access to your eLab course code. Come out here. The code that you bought through the bookstore is the first code you're going to use. So create the account you see in the lower left corner here. You're going to register with that number, and then you're going to have the option to register for the individual courses. So if you have any problems or questions with that, let me know. If you have any questions about this presentation or any of the course materials as you get started, please do not hesitate to call or email me. Remember, you will learn and retain the information much better if you work through the materials at a steady pace consistently throughout the semester. I look forward to working with you. Have a great semester.